That one person in your group who doesn't drink alcohol and cheers with water wants you to die.
So today we discuss few random weird facts about superstitions or superstitions that we found that are interesting, and we rate them really quick from 1 to 10.
Yes.
So go, Ramanujan.
Let's go. Okay. So the first one of mine is so just setting context, right? So my mom, she's retired now. She used to work in a bank,
Correct.
and she's taken up knitting as a hobby.
Correct.
Right. So when I read this, I was very intrigued by it.
Okay.
Because in Iceland, they say if a lady knits
Correct.
outside the house,
Okay.
the winter is going to prolong. So after reading this, I want to tell my mom कि mom please बाहर बैठ के knit करो ताकि इंडिया में winter आए.
Wow.
But
so they're saying in Iceland, if you knit outside the house, the winter is going to prolong.
Correct. So basically, winter is saying that you're preparing for winter. तो like हाँ मैं रुक जाता हूँ. I'm like हैं?
So I mean, okay, it's a simple superstition.
Yeah, very simple one, but
But I like the fact that Iceland is so cold, right? They are taking no chances. I'm like, क्यों दिखा रहे हो? क्यों बता रहे हो that you can deal with the cold?
Correct.
As it is, we can't deal with it. Fucking take your stuff and go inside.
That's why I feel like tropical countries should adopt this.
We should knit outside.
Yes. So
Yeah,
that
but
थोड़ा तो भी ठंडा रहेगा.
we don't need to knit only, dude. Most of our places हमको winter में भी sweater नहीं लगता है.
Correct, that's true. Bombay में तो नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं लगेगा. हाँ अभी winter में ऐसे बॉम्बे में knit कर रहे हो यार, please ठंडा हो जाओ. This superstition gets maybe a 4. It's all right.
It's all right.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just found it amusing. So.
Okay, cool. So this superstition is from Germany.
Okay.
So they say if you what do you call cheers or toast with water, you wish everybody to die.
Wait, everybody that you
Die,
can
yeah.
with.
Because
Wow.
they say because if you're toasting with water, you're toasting to the god of the underworld. As a Greek mythology में वो reverse stinks नहीं था.
Yeah,
STYX,
yeah.
not stink वाला stink.
ST, yeah, I know.
YX वाला. So basically, you're toasting to him, and he's like, "Whoa, you're calling me? So I'll kill you guys."
Wow, I didn't know that.
Also,
so basically, that one person in your group who doesn't drink alcohol and cheers with water wants you to die.
Yeah.
Just telling you.
Not just that. Regarding alcohol, there's another thing that's very serious in Germany, by the way. So when you cheers with someone, you have to look into their eye,
Yeah.
right? And I'm saying it's not something I'm very used to. I went there, I'm like, why do everybody stare at each other?
After cheers.
After cheers.
थोड़ा intense हो रहा है.
So then they're like, no, don't you know? I'm like, what do I don't know? It's like, if you don't make eye contact with everybody after you cheers, you'll have bad sex for 7 years.
For 7 years.
7 साल bad sex में बोला
Nice.
That's a very weird superstition, and also you motherfuckers better look me in the eye.
ये वो cheers का गेम थोड़ा intense हो रहा है. कोई तो तुमको मारने आ रहा है, तुमने आँख में नहीं देखा तो sex नहीं होगा.
I know, very intense हो गया. So
Nice.
I was like, wow, that's a very
That's good.
Yeah.
I feel that's a 7 because I never knew, like I sat and drank with my friends on the weekend. I never knew there was so much repercussion in my life.
अभी तेरे दिमाग में now you
Yeah.
do cheers and try not to make eye contact. You're like, do I want to risk it? Because it's not like 7 days or something. 7 years.
This is from actually these two countries, believe it. So this is England and North America, right? So there, this comes from fighter pilots doing this, but then the common public also do this, right? So they say that at the beginning of every month, you're supposed to get up, like it's 1st of August, right? So you get up and you have to say rabbit, rabbit, or white rabbit.
Okay.
For good luck for the rest of the month.
Got it. Rabbit, rabbit, white rabbit.
So I knew this. So I found it weird because I knew that people used to keep rabbit's foot for good luck, right?
Correct. Yeah.
I'm like, ये rabbit क्यों बोलेगा मैं हर महीना? मतलब it's just it doesn't make any sense to me. It's very weird. But apparently a lot of people still follow it.
Oh.
Like ऐसा 1st of every month they're like, हाँ rabbit.
But like they set up in the calendar.
Yeah.
Today's rabbit saying day.
Yeah.
Rabbit
saying day. उनका Google calendar पे recurring alarm रहता है. Every 1st को कि हाँ बाबा उठो rabbit बोलो तो महीने भर चिल जाएगा तुम्हारा.
Wow, intense.
Yeah.
I'll also give this a 7.
7. Good.
Actually, what? I'll give it a 7.5.
7.5 it is.
Yes.
Nice.
Awesome. Okay. Next fact. Oh yeah, this one is kind of fun. It means so your in-laws are like basically if someone's getting married, the in-laws are supposed to check the wife's feet if they're flat-footed or not.
Ooh.
If they're flat-footed means you're a bitch, you're evil.
Ooh.
So you should
this
not,
I didn't know.
Yeah, so basically stay away from them flat-footed.
So flat-footed as in if
Literally
like
flat-footed.
the entire this thing. Hey,
Yeah.
then they'll be good at race walking. What the fuck? Olympic medal ला सकते हैं लोग. What nonsense.
हाँ पर अच्छी वीवी होने की नहीं. That's the question. So that's the whole point. They're like no. ये माल. So basically how they check ऐसा horse foot no. They'll check like ऐसा उनका पैर.
पैर की हाँ full हो रहा है तो नहीं cancel.
नहीं cancel.
Wow, that is very weird. How do you even start that conversation?
No idea.
Like लड़की देखने जा रहे क्या?
No, पहले please step on this ink and then step on
no,
this paper.
wait, what if they like in the pretext of checking they're like we'll give you sandals or whatever and then they're like no, wear it in front of us and then they have a like one guy just observing कि उसका full
Dude, that sounds 100% like this has happened in some Indian serial.
है ना? Dude,
it seems
actually
हुआ होगा ये किसी serial में.
Actually, India में regarding the foot only, there is one more supposition that
Correct.
if the second toe, right, is bigger than the first toe
Correct.
of the lady,
Correct.
she will dominate the husband in the marriage.
Oh yeah, I've heard that one
Yeah.
too.
So that is there. वो foot का लेके कुछ तो है.
कितना
nonsense.
कुछ है foot को लेके bro. Like it's like forget palmistry. This is
This is some new shit.
yeah. What is
Legistry?
No,
What is
palmistry.
Footistry? I you know what? I'm going to give this an 8 just because I feel it's very difficult to verify this. Like it's very awkward to verify this in the first meet or something. That is, I'm going to give it an 8. So my last one for this is from Japan.
Okay.
So Japan culturally believes in a lot of symbolism, right?
Correct.
So in Japan, they say that whenever you walk past a graveyard,
Correct.
right? Whenever you walk past a graveyard, you're supposed to hide your thumbs.
Okay.
Because if you don't hide your thumbs, you're wishing death upon your parents. And the reason behind that is, in Japanese, the thumb is called the parent finger.
Oh.
So you're supposed to hide.
So basically hiding a parent.
Hide your thumbs so that you protect your parents from death. And I feel that's sweet.
That's very simple.
That's actually very that is symbolism है, intense है, but it's very sweet.
Because your thumbs are called parents, hide your parents.
That's it. Protect your parents.
Kind of cute though.
हाँ,
Like,
है ना?
hi mom, hi dad, hello, hello. Ha.
The
Okay.
thumb thing.
This one, thumb one, because it's so cute, gets a 9.
9 ना मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. Like just because of the symbolism and like the emotion behind it. I
It's
really
cute.
like it.
It's
Yeah,
cute.
very cute.
The fact that you would hide, it's like you have little dolls on your hands. You hide them. Hide them from the evil ghosts. So this one is from again Great Britain.
Okay.
So here, so in ancient Britain, women used to carry acorns in their pockets.
Correct.
You know why?
Was it something to do with being youthful?
Yes.
हाँ,
So basically, they would
Random guess.
really.
हाँ.
Oh wow, insane. So basically, they used to carry acorns in their pockets, saying, feeling that they'll.
Acorns हाँ वो acorns नहीं बंदा rapper नहीं हाँ.
I'm pretty sure in ancient Britain nobody went like, oh, there'll be acorns lying on the ground.
I wanted to clear
like,
that
just
out
like
because in
singing-
my head I
singing,
immediately went to acorn.
ऐसे पेड़ के नीचे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे acorn बैठ के नहीं गा रहे हैं. And they're picking these acorns and putting them into their pocket.
My mind immediately went there.
I think only you needed that clarification.
I needed that
don't think anybody
clarification.
else
I had
needed
to
that
put it out there
clarification.
in the universe.
Oh shit. Anyway,
Yeah.
so they would put little acorns into their pocket because there was said that what oak tree? What do they call?
Acorns, I am not sure. I think oak tree. I'll put it up here.
Yeah. Or a sign of like longevity because they love.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I mean
I
they
don't
grow
know the
huge
reason
and
why.
they stay forever. So they're like yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, women and squirrels would gather acorns. And they'll be like, "Whoa, we're looking."
If squirrels is things to go by, I don't think they also live very long. So I don't know from where this came, but
वो पेड़ देख के ना अगर पेड़ इतना लंबा जिएगा तो उसका सीड्स अगर हम लोग जेब में रखेंगे तो
हम भी शायद लंबे जाएंगे.
हाँ
Makes sense.
और we'll stay at least young.
Young. Makes sense.
You
Nice.
stay young and you feel young. So I guess when you carried acorns, you felt better.
Yeah, and it's not like you're harming anyone. It's your pocket में पड़ा है. It's
Correct. Yeah.
Nice.
I feel if anybody had to start this rumor, it'll be the tree themselves. Because they'd be like, helps with
correct.
seed dispersal.
Marketing strategy.
Correct. You can disperse the seeds better. I feel it'll be funny if the oak tree only went like, hey, सुन ना. अरे क्या? अरे if you carry my seeds around, you'll stay young forever. Like, great. And then they carry it around.
Good stuff. That's a very nice marketing strategy. I really
I know.
like it.
Yeah, it'll ensure the seeds get
Yeah.
well dispersed. in a larger area.
Just for the fact that there's a possibility the tree started it, I'm going to give this a 9 as well. Just for that fact. For me now, oak tree ne chalu kiya ye.
Oak tree ne bola, hey, sunna. Cool, that was it. If you like this episode, you definitely like our podcast on superstition. We've done a whole one on our channel. Also,
find it right here.
Yep. Like, share, subscribe, and comment and let us know what your superstitions are.
Yes.
And which one do you like fun?
Yeah, actually, which one did you find the most weird? So we have new episodes out every Friday and small bits of content throughout the week. So subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of it.